In this tutorial, we will explore the process of creating a head opening animation similar of Natt style but not exactly. While there's a straightforward method that's not like something complex, but we will also do into a more professional approach using Photoshop, Photopea.com plus After Effects. I'm here to provide a quick and easy guide on utilizing Canva for this animation. I will walk you through the necessary steps and afterward I will explain how to enhance your skill by using my Discord server from discovering assets to potential job opportunity. Before we proceed, I will show you a simple animation I created for you like what we can do in this video. We will break it down step by step and then I will demonstrate how to refine it further. Additionally, in Capcut, I have combined a relight effect into the picture of two girls, like showcasing the transformative impact. That is very good way to add light into our picture, into our video. So you can adjust the speed, modify colors and explore the new relight option here in Capcut. So like about my Discord, if you have not joined yet, find the link in the description below. Upon joining, you have the various rules on your screen, so you need to read all of them. For those unfamiliar with Discord server, upon joining, you will find a section related to job opportunities. After getting skills, securing a job is key. In this section, you can explore job posting, read the rules, and either post job opportunities or search for one. Simply follow the guidelines and post accordingly. For any client you want to work with them, it's key to send them a direct message along with your portfolio. Avoid sending unwanted message. And other important thing is to confirm the verification of the client for saving yourself from scam, and you can find the steps for that in the rules. Make sure to read them carefully. Also, in the previous video I covered these aspects, and if you have not watched it, you can find the link in the description below. Make sure to watch. Here we have announcement channel featuring necessary updates and videos. Please read this announcement for important information. If you have a question, like you want to ask any question, specific question, we provided a dedicated space for question and answer. Post specific question to receive accurate and helpful responses in the question answer channel. For showcasing your editing work or seeking any feedback, use the Edit Showcase channel. If you encounter problems, addressing them in the discussion channel. You can also join discussion on various topics in the discussion channel. Now, a great feature is our different channel, like that is very helpful for all the editor that is in the beginning level or in intermediate level. So here covering everything from editing asset to asset for editing. All members can access 100% useful contents in these channels. When you click on a channel, a window will pop up with valuable resources from start to end. This is especially helpful for beginner editors as you can get access to high quality assets for free. In addition, we have added Hindi tutorial channels for those who prefer discussion in Hindi or Urdu. There are specific channels for like Canva Pro training, CapCut training, freelancing videos that's all in Hindi language. Feel free to join utilizing these channels based on your language preference. The initial channel is dedicated to freelancing discussion. If you encounter any freelancing related challenges or have inquiries, feel free to share them here. You are welcome engaging in discussion even if you have not posted anything related editing showcase. This channel is specifically designed for skill related discussions. Whatever your preferred discussion in English, Hindi or Urdu, you will find dedicated spaces for both languages. If you have not joined Discord yet, it's highly recommended join it now because that is providing a valuable platform for interaction. Now let's transition back to our video. I have provided a comprehensive overview of Discord and explaining how to navigate and maximize its utility. Moving on to our animation tutorial, it consists of two steps. The initial step involves removing the background from any picture you are working with. So you can do it here in CapCut as well, or you can also do into our like Canva. To illustrate, I have chosen for example slightly reduce their size. After scaling down, adjustments are made accordingly. Now to achieve the desired effect for the bottom part opening for the head, to do this we use a technique called masking. Initially duplicate the layer and then reduce the opacity of the bottom layer approximately to 32. This step sets to groundwork. Now click on the upper layer and access the mask tool. Use the mask tool until the cut of the head opens at the desired point you want. Subsequently, repeat the process for the lower layer. clicking on it and applying the spilt masking. This is opening for the head. Now here's the key part. Cut the image the way you want. I turned it like 180-degree in my example. You should do it according to your need. So just that's it. After that, make sure everything lines up perfectly. If you're not sure about, want to take a closer look, click here, zoom in and check it. The cuts look just right. Now you are on the basic settings and looks good so far. Next, increase the opacity of the lower layer. So here the pictures we have. There's a cut here. Now there are some elements that I previously demonstrated to provide you with a sense of what to do in this video. If I showcase them again, just this, and after that I will remove to avoid any confusion. Here you notice edit some effects and sound effects. You can also integrate additional assets for like creative editing. So learning the software is not just about being editor. It's about what's in your mind. That's your creativity. After mastering the software, get inspiration from others and try to create your style. Mix your style with others to make something new. So now I will delete this so the timeline is clear and we are back to where we started. Now click here, turn it off. After find the bottom layer, click the burger menu or the three lines and export a still frame. Name it whatever you want. After that export as PNG. Choose 4K resolution and save it. For now, I will keep it on my desktop. Next step involves navigating to Canva, a straightforward process that's very easy. After opening the Canva, simple click and drag it to upload. The system will automatically handle the upload process. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, be sure to do so and click on the bell icon for notification. This ensures you receive timely alerts when we uploaded a new video. Once you uploaded your picture, we need to move forward with remove the background by clicking on edit photo. The background removal process may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the background is removed, press C to activate the circle tool. Customize the circle to your preference. In this example, I am demonstrating the first type. This is a simple task as previously explained. So all about it's mainly adjustment and choosing the colors. You can follow my way or do it your own way. Next, click on color. Then click on add new with the plus sign. And you need to go with the gradient option. Think about how much depth you want based on what you like or what the picture you have. So here are the 5 options. You can try one by one. If you look, you will see some changes happening there. Start by changing the color a bit. For example, if you choose black and make small changes, it will look better. Experiment until you get a good result. You can keep the setting as they are or make small changes to the color. Once you are happy with the color or depth, you are done. Now you need to download it. Then you have to delete this picture, like we don't need this picture, we just need this only thing. Once downloaded, I dragged it into my CapCut. Now let's fine tune its positioning. I prefer zooming in for adjustment. Here we can turn off the uniform scale. So we can modify both width and height once we turn off the uniform scale. Let's reduce the width slightly and observe the impact in the video. So here, if you want to work with refinement, you should do it. Well, I have adjusted it a little bit according to my need. So look at this. This is the look we have with depth. It has been created. Okay, so now I will tell you that we have to do the next animation as you like. I mean to add a light effect. If you want to add any light effect, so you can go with adjustment as well, and then also you can navigate the effect panel. From the effect panel you can add any effect you want. You can also add filter if you want. So just click and drag here. We will have some lightning as you see. You just have to adjust the strength. Again, it will depend on the color on the picture you have. Next, we have to add a touch of animation to our work. Let me walk you through the process. Ensure that we have 3 layers. So select it and drag it a bit further. Click on the animation tab. Here you will find the slide up animation. Add any animation of your choice. After it slides up, I want to add a head opening animation. We utilize keyframing. Select it, add keyframe for position and size across 3 frames. Since we added this layer for animation, it's time to arrange. You adjust the animation speed with keyframing. How it looks depends on how you move it. You can put a frame around it or take it outside as well. Now I have done with animation. I want the top part to stay open. So the circle we created for the 3D look should be under it. To do that, we need to add it almost here. Check the animation from where the start opening and where you have to set keyframe. When it opens, the circle we made to cover the top will appear below automatically. You can do the same for the top part. Export it as the still frame. After framing it, you go to Canva, repeat the process, create oval and download it. Paste it below and look it like we are creating a 3D effect. Now if you want, adjust it a little bit. Let me show you. It's like opening something in 3D. You can add depth in Photoshop using hue, saturation or gradient. So good coloring adds good depth to anything. It's up to you and it's adjustable. You can adjust it a bit if you want. Right now we are working on it. Zoom in a little and add a spilled mask. Merge it slightly on the side. Apply 1 or 2 feather and it will start to blend. Choose the feather amount based on your picture. Now create a compound clip. The reason for that is we cannot apply the mask twice on one layer. So convert it into compound clip and then apply the mask again on the top of it. So first we apply the mask on the right side and now we need to apply the mask on the left side. That's it. Okay, so now our next move. I downloaded this video from Motion Array. You can use it however you want in your storyboard or editing. Like whatever you want to add, you can add. Let me show you a quick example. If you want to add more merge type effect, click here. After that, click on the mask and then spilled. I want to make it a bit softer, so I will add a feather. Now if you want to adjust the speed, here's a pro tip. You can also do it here. You can adjust the time and customize it as you like. I added the hero time customization here. You can customize it. If you don't want to add anything like any curve, you can simply adjust the time. That's it. One thing, if you try it yourself, adding slow motion. So here is the slow motion. That is new option. I am using the 3 beta version of CapCut. It has 2 amazing options, smooth, slow-mo and relight. Back to the point, if you want to stop the animation, add a freeze frame. Adjust it a bit and it will show behind the head. You can also add effects. For example, I downloaded some from Motion Array and added it to show the animation look. So making a good animation depends on how you adjust things. If it doesn't look right, you can fix it. That's what I explained earlier. Now let's talk about the relight effect I showed you at the beginning. It's here. called Relight in CapCut. With Relight, you can make adjustment easily. There are three options you can choose from, and you can even add warm light or change the color of the lights. You can adjust it the way you want. It's cool because you can add light in different directions and put it anywhere you want. You can also change how strong to light is, how wide it's spread, and how far it goes. There's also something called soft light, which is like a gentle light. You can change its colors too. I use this a lot in my videos for client and they really like how professional it looks. So you also need to use this option into your video. So play with colors for different lights. You can change the brightness, width, distance for each light in your video. And the best part is you can decide if you want the effect on everything or just on certain things. If you use this in creative, you can add even more stuff to your animation. It's pretty much the same process. You can adjust it however you like. You can apply the effect to a specific thing in your video, making it look better. In short, Relight is a cool feature that helps make your animation look awesome. I hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think and don't forget to subscribe, join our community on Discord and follow me on Instagram and WhatsApp. Thank you. That's all for today.